Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to fix keyboard keys not working. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to right-click here. Settings, Accessibility. We went down a little bit. Keyboard. We activate this option. Well, now we will open the searcher and we will look for Run. Click here. Then we will type regedit. Okay, now we minimize the keyboard. We will open HKey Local Machine, System, Current Control Set, Services, and search for i8042 PRT. Right-click on Start, Modify. In Value Data, we will put 1. Okay, and restart the PC. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.